princess most beautiful and charming. Her father the king was a wicked old thing with manners most alarming, and always on the front door mat a most ferocious dragon sat. It made an awful shrieking noise, so all you little girls and boys, beware, take care of the green-eyed dragon with the 13 tails. He'll feed with greed on little boys, puppy dogs, and big fat snails. Then off to his lair each child will dragon, each of the 13 tails he'll wag. Beware, take care, and creep up on tiptoes. Then hurry up the stairs and say your prayers, and duck your heads, your pretty curly heads, beneath the clothes, the clothes, the clothes. That dragon he lived for years and years, but never grew much thinner. For lunch he'd try a policeman pie or a roast MP for dinner. One brave man went round with an axe and tried to collect his income tax. The dragon he smiled with a fiendish glee and sadly murmured, R.I.P. Beware, take care of the green-eyed dragon with the 13 tails. He'll feed with greed on little boys, puppy dogs, and big fat snails. Then off to his lair each child will dragon, each of the 13 tails he'll wag. Beware, take care, and creep off on tiptoes. Then hurry up the stairs and say your prayers, and duck your heads, your pretty curly heads, beneath the clothes, the clothes, the clothes. That dragon went down to the kitchen one day where the fair princess was baking. He ate by mistake a rich crumb cake which the fair princess was making. That homemade cake he could not digest. He moaned and he groaned, and at last went west. And now his ghost with bloodshot eyes at night he clanks his chains and cries, beware, take care of the green-eyed dragon with the 13 tails. He'll feed with greed on little boys, puppy dogs, and big fat snails. Then off to his lair each child will dragon, each of the 13 tails will wag. Beware, take care, and creep off on tiptoes. Then hurry up the stairs and say your prayers, and duck your heads, your pretty curly heads, beneath